Oh, I must be dreaming. I must be dreaming.
What's up? Welcome back to another YouTube channel. It's a great life with Sean here. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. So, as you know, I'm migrate. I'm in the US right now. So, yeah, it's been okay so far. My face look early from my age. And you forgot about age control. Anyways, so far it's been okay. The weather can go on. Can manage it at times, and sometimes I can't manage it. It cool, man, cool, me I tell you. There's them with there, cause Jamaica no get them with there. Yeah, at least Jamaica get. But today, me and my mommy, I go look about social security. Social security number, if you don't know what that is. So I look about it today. And I bring one with me. And I'm supposed to see my auntie today. So if I see her, I'm put her in it. I'm not see my auntie for years now. My mother. What's my mother on camera? My mother's sister, guys. My mother's sister on her mother's side. She should have been doing Jamaica, you know. But she did migrate. And I haven't seen her for a while now. I'm so happy to see her. So she's supposed to come today. So if she come today, she'll be in a video. So that's basically what today's video is about. About the social security number and seeing my auntie back. And if I do nothing else, I'm gonna go see it. So today is, I don't know where I call today, if I day 3 or what. But we'll come from Wednesday until Friday. So I guess I day 2, I don't know. But the Wednesday when we reach, whenever we'll do nothing, we come. Then we walk around the work about look something. And yeah, around the road, that's what I call it. And it's got with that. And then now, like down, after 4, I go up on the road with my auntie, go do a little shopping, go get some warm clothes, my father's sister. And I'm sorry I never video that because it was so nice, you know, to just walk around on the mall. But I was so tired, so I could have bought a video. But I must go shopping again and I go bring one with me. So that's what I did the Wednesday. And then now, yesterday, Thursday. When did yesterday, Thursday? Whenever I really not yesterday. Wi-Fi never work on my mother's phone, so we end up come out of the house go walk. And while we walk with thief Wi-Fi, I was stand up there for a bow. How why not? I thief the Wi-Fi. I thief the Wi-Fi. With thief in the Wi-Fi. Yes, we pick up Wi-Fi anywhere no one say. But then in Jamaica we say thief Wi-Fi. People must wonder who them two people stand up so long, you know. But yeah, that's what we did yesterday. And we never do nothing else other. We did order Papa John's pizza. It did taste good. It did taste really good. Mommy, how much out of 10 I get?
5.
Mommy says we get 5 out of 10. But it did taste good. I don't know how much I get. I get more than a 5 though. It tastes good. I'm hungry, you know. So that was yesterday. And then another down the night or evil night, whatever you want to call it. I did walk along the road with my mother auntie, which is my grand aunt. Walk along the road. And then I come back and go in bed. And they'll tell me, see, once it's 4 o'clock over here, the time get dark, so dark. And you know what Jamaica, 4 o'clock, sun still shine, but over here, so time get dark, bad. But that's basically what we did since we arrived. And now today's Friday, December the 30th. And we're going to look about social security. You know, we gotta get to business, give it these stuff. So we gotta look about that right now. And anything else we'll do for the rest of the day. I'm gonna vlog it. And I'm gonna jot down below what kind of content you want to see. and I will surely do it for you guys. And yeah, what else? What else more for sale now? That's it. I'm going to say the video one of us before this, which is my packing video and when me that travel. And I'm gonna start edit it. And it's like a 38-39 minute video. And I'm gonna start edit it. I don't know when I'm gonna post it. I hope I'm gonna post it today, the 30th, December 30th. I'm gonna come back after the I'm gonna edit it. Or if I pick up Wi-Fi, I'm gonna find where I edit it because I need Wi-Fi to use the app. Or mommy? Or
Yeah.
my great grandmother that's in my back room, my mother's side. And yeah, so I'm gonna have that ready. So if I'm gonna post it the 30th, which is today, I'm gonna post it the 31st. I have to post it before the new year start. This video I go coming at the new year. But yeah, that's it. So like, comment, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment. Yeah, I said that already. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, turn on post notification, click the bell so I'll be notified whenever I post a video. I'll be a chat foolishness. So yeah, I'll be back when the car come and we'll drive with the place. Leaving the house now. Walk into the car, Everybody have time to stop video for. Yes, no right? Today ain't that really cool. Today ain't really cool. Social Security Administration. Anyways, guys, we have to go somewhere else. Could the video in this anyways, someone don't make like a video in the other one, you know. So if I can't video in there, then I'm gonna come out. Yeah. Train never take time. So I'm gonna train my come. So guys, we reached at the place I was supposed to today. The Social Security Administration office. We end up never taking a train, but we just continue driving at the car. I can't be there and so we're in the bathroom. I just go and go update. So yeah, I just fill out our form, so then I say I'm number for call. So when I left from right there, so I'm gonna come back to me. You know? Yeah. Today not really cool, guys. Now my mother in a one big jacket, but today not really cool. But yeah. USA.
What?
USA. No. Anyways, when I left from right there, so I'm gonna come back to yeah. We're at Wendy's. Mexican, I say that, but Mouth has strip their friend. Bono. Poor miss man.
Yeah, but I tell her, people park on the road over speed park anyway.
Full of course. No, whatever that. I got an energy. And there's a airplane coming. Fine, money. Yeah. Fine, money. Right people for days. $30. She tell me send me an ad. And I said, I don't know. Guys, I'm alone get through with my social security. Mommy not get through. I be a full system and chat. I'm not understand how one get through, one not get through.
But normally go, then they give it to you. Then now I send it to the
All of them say immigration to send to the yard. But must you not understand how one get that one again? The current revenue. I might order that.
I'm hoping I can't hear me now. But I'm back home. Bought Wendy's. You know, try Wendy's with me. See it taste. I want to do the ketchup. I still don't find the ketchup, but I eat Wendy's at Jamaica already, you know, but I never try Wendy's couple so more if it tastes the same or whatever. So I'm gonna try it with me. The fries. Food get cold up here so quick because through the you know they're cold. But yeah. Like what I say. Not all person get social security. My mother no get fair one. I just have to wait until immigration send come out the yard. But I don't know how me get it and she don't get it because of the same thing basically. But I guess I'm lucky. Funny thing, you know, in the social security office, one madman in there. I did go back go sit down because I wait for my mother for don't do fair one. I don't do my own because we go to the separate window. And I go sit down and myself, I kind of watching me now. Because if I know I'm very observant, you know. So I watch my surroundings. So I go sit down. So like I say one chair part we have. So see man go so after me. I was like, Jesus, please no. The man a shoot after me. And I say I'm mad man, listen up. Cause this man no them like men about that. Them just see man I go so. And I tell you, but it does one mother for her pan on the shed come on get up. One get up and move from his party in bed. And then no get up now. Find out some mother no get you if you want or whatever. So we don't know. And indeed can't go deal with him something. But I don't let them deal with him now because he's mad. So I don't let them realize that he's mad or whatever. So anyways, we'll talk to security for find out why me get my one and my mother not get fair one. And the man are ready for walk past now. I watch the man walk past you know. Come here say I'm mad man this and man in him. I'm walk past now. And I'm going to the elevator and go downstairs because we're on a second floor they pan say, you know, you take the elevator go down on the first floor to go about in business. But when him go about in business we did still talk to security. And when we don't talk to security no one say we will take the elevator. And the madman that was to come back up in the elevator So about to go in there now with him, and I come out, you know, and we are going there, and I come back in there and hear him, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. The man I say we are following. And we are saying, we just come out and we take the stairs because we are saying we're not taking this elevator with this man. I can't be saying mad, but one couple they go in there with him. Some white people they go in there with him, but me, we never go in there. Me, my mother, and my auntie just go about business and take the stairs. And when them elevator door they close, they don't know, nobody can help you, you only can help yourself. But yeah, that is it. After I left the store, go Wendy's. No, I eat Wendy's. Yeah, tell us the people park anywhere. People park on the road and them something there. You can see the FedEx truck them ups, Prime, Amazon, and they on the road that deliver things. Yeah, see them. The fries is alright. Let's see how the burger tastes. I'm buying bacon yet. Come here. Anyways, this size not that bad. Just say me love ketchup, you know. So I'm never put ketchup in the burger, but ketchup already in there. So ready? I'm hungry now. It tastes real good. It tastes real good. We get 10 out of 10. Honestly, it tastes good. It tastes good, man. Like we just in the living room, we take Coke juice, you know, Coke juice. I take that. We just come in and suffer, talk to, you know. But anyways, we get the Wendy's burger a 10 out of 10. It tastes good, real good. I'm gonna go dig into this right now. If my auntie come today, you know, she I'm a vlog. But if she not come, then never enough the vlog. Or if I go plan work tomorrow, whatever, I just continue the vlog them time there. But for now, I'm gonna leave it right here for now. It's night and I'm outside.
Yeah. It's night and I'm outside. Yeah? Gee. Don't be there. Cheese and cheese.
My auntie, guys, when I can't even see her. Mommy, how's the weather?
And you'll also get the free beneficiary plan. Use this valuable guide to record your important information and give helpful direction to your loved ones with your final
You're
wishes.
so short.
And it's yours free.
Yes.
Just for calling. So call now for free information.
Yo, I'm taking the train for the first time. I'm adding this video to the social security video. So today is January the 9th.
Maybe you never hear this something say the Brooklyn trip. Today the 9, today the 10. And we're on the chain.
Watch the dog. Excuse me. Watch the dog.
This is 219th Street.
We're on the train now. We're going to open our account, a bank account, at Bank of America. I'm adding this video to the social security video that I made.
This is a Manhattan-bound
I did
2
that
train.
from
The next stop is Gun Hill Road.
Stand clear of the closing door.
what did I video then from December the 30th to that December 10th. And I'm gonna add a VIP. So I'm happy I'm now extra post it. But we're on the train. So we'll come up on the train. I'll be back. Oh, for the train. The train ride was like a 2 minute. That don't feel like 11 minutes at all. And as I come up by train, so reach and back. And then when I back now. Anyways, guys. So don't not the downstairs. Anyways, see that I'm at 9 now. So now, I don't even hear me that step on the train. Because it'd be nice that I'm on the train, but me that say the other video to the social security video. Remember that about social? Yeah, that video was from December the 30th. So I don't know if it and post some of at this stage. Because I think that video they probably that shot. Some of at this stage. Yeah, it's at this stage. And the train ride was everyone used to do with the copyright thing. The train ride, it's smooth, it's easy. That never hard to do. They're not hard about that way. Then this all like and that not feel like it. And as I come off my train to the Bank of America, and you need 2 IDs for the bank account, and I only one I have, and I'm on passport. So I have to look for one next ID and look for that I can come back. And anyone I take it, if anyone I take it, I could get it today because I have book appointment. So I know so when I come back, 2 ID and I book the appointment. So yeah, that's basically it. That's basically it for this video. I'm waiting for my train to go back home now. Yeah. So when we reach home, I come back soon. When the train comes, I'll show you the train comes. I'm coming now, my train is coming. Look at my phone now, blink, blink, blink. Yeah, the phone is, you know. But I'm off the train and I'm walking. I walk down my yard now. I'm there on the block, walking home. So this is the end of the video. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video to your family and friends. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video to your family and friends. Click the bell, turn on post notification so whenever I'm gonna post a video, one of the first one to see it. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Even though I'm gonna start on errands. Yeah, important errands. So yeah, I'm almost home. See you, dog man. Afraid of dog, you know. You gotta walk far from the dog. And still walking. I'm like 2 hours away. So now I'm 1 hour away. Now reach home. So that's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share it with your family and friends. Hit the bell. Yeah. Peace out. Bye.